Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you a 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX. This is the biggest in the SPX series. Very nice layout here, true walkthrough. You can see there's sea decking all the way through into the cockpit. And then the flooring, actually this is new for Sea Ray. This is their sea decking that is snap in, snap out. So it just snaps in and out of there. Nice and soft, nice and thick, feels good on your feet. Storage underneath all the seats. Got a place for a cooler, and then there's a cooler in there as well. The 23 does have a pump out head in this particular model, so I'll be able to go right in there, use what you need. The bow of the boat has plenty of room, nice and deep for as many people as you like. 2019 does have the Fusion stereo in this boat as well, and does have the subwoofer and the upgraded speaker system. So come on down to MarineMax, take a look at this boat and any others that we have.